Good morning, my friends. This is Ari again. Today, I was working in the 2016 Mercedes Benz R350 with a 3.5 liter cylinders. 3.5 liters engine. We are working on replace the camshaft position sensor and the ignition coil. Okay, I wanna show you in this video. I wanna share where is located the camshaft position sensor and the ignition coil. And particular thing is the camshaft position sensor bank number 1 is located in the front side when you stay front to the engine, and the left handle. And the left handle is the cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and the right handle is the cylinder 4, 5, 6. Okay, the order file is 14365. Okay, this was the introduce the video. This is what I want to explain before. This is the 2016 Mercedes Benz R350 with a 3.5 liter. Okay. The little bit diagram on the picture was located in the video is to show the order file and location, the cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and location the cylinder 4, 5, 6. Okay, we started show the video. Okay, the first thing I will show you some pictures of the van, because it's a nice van. Look at that, it's a van. They got 5 doors. Okay, they got a navigation system. It's made for Mercedes Benz. They look pretty nice. They got 2 size the seats, and they got one more in the back size. Is you can put it down for use. Okay, and the blue arrow is located the coil, and the left side is located the ignition switch, the camshaft sensor. This was located the order fire cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we started show the replace the camshaft sensor. Okay, you seen it. This is in the bank 1 camshaft sensor bank 1. Was located on the front, from the front cover. Okay, I got a brand new, the brand Bosch. I want to show you. Okay, this is the sensor. Okay, it's bolted off from 1 star bolt. It's just well, it's already taken off. It's just to put it back, take the bolt out, and okay, and we insert the sensor on the housing. They got a little ring for don't leak oil. We remove the oil ring, and we the new ring is come to the sensor. Okay, and then we put the sensor, screw it up, the bolt, use the socket, I think the E50, and then plug it in. This one is I want to show you the socket. It's a star socket. Okay, this is a star socket. Okay, and we take the socket and we put in the extension and the ratchet and tight the sensor. Okay, it's done. The camshaft position sensor is replaced, and then we are going to the left side where is located the coil number 456. Okay, and in the left side is the 1, 2, 3, and the right side is the 4, 5, 6. Okay, the coil is the ignition coil is bolted off for 2 bolts. The star socket 2, the same size. Okay, I will remove the bolt. Okay, and we put the new ignition coil. Okay, I will already buy the new one. Okay, and we put a new one. Put the new one, I put the two bolt back and put a plug, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, put a like it, and put a notification for the next time when I put a new video. They say, hey, I did put a new video. Okay, share for the friends and put a like it and subscribe my channel. This is Ari. All the time I share all what is doing the mechanic. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching my videos.